Welcome to our teacher app. I am your math teacher. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometry of class 10. Now we are going to discuss about the topic trigonometry of class 10th. So trigonometry is nothing but which deals in a right angle triangle. Trigonometry means a discussion or speaking about a particular angles of a right angle triangle, which we discuss about a right angle triangle and its angles. So now, in a right angle triangle, if you consider this is 90 degrees. So out of three angles, one is 90. So actually, sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. Out of 180, already one angle we considered as 90. So remaining two angles will be less than 90 degrees only. That means the two are called acute angles. So now, if that acute angle, if you consider that is an angle theta. So which we discuss about acute angle of a particular triangle, the of six trigonometric values. See here in this topic we will discuss about six values. So first one is sine, second one is cos, third one is tan, and fourth one is cosecant, fifth one is secant, and last one is cot. So of all the six values, they doesn't mean anything. So unless these six values are assigned with a particular angle. See, sine, there is no meaning, cos no meaning, tan no meaning. Like that, these three values also, there is no meaning for these six values unless if you assign a particular angle for these things. That means sin theta only it completes or it is having a particular value. Sin theta will be defined with the help of this right angle triangle, opposite side by hypotenuse. In the same way, when you give theta for cos theta also it is having a full-fledged meaning, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side or sin theta by cos theta. Anyway we can write. See, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and this is a adjacent side by hypotenuse, and this is opposite side by adjacent side. And if you know the three values, automatically the rest of the three values just it's the reciprocals. Reciprocals means multiplicative identities or multiplicative inverse we can say. So sin just you reverse hypotenuse by opposite side, cos you reverse you will get secant, tan if you reverse you will get a cot. So with the help of these six we can write identities. What are the identities? Identities reciprocals. What is the first one? Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. That is the first one. Coming for the second one, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. And the third one is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So these three are called reciprocal values of each other. That means from this equation we can find two more formulae. Sin is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta also we can write. See, with this one we can write sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta also we can write. So in the same way these two also we can write the same model. So each and every value is a reciprocal here, or multiplicative identity or multiplicative inverse, something we can say about these three. So with the help of these three formulae we will solve so many sums which discuss in this one. And coming for the next one trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios already I explained what are trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta, and rest of the three is cosecant, secant, cot. So these are called trigonometric ratio values. So trigonometric ratios means with the help of the right angle triangle we discuss about these six trigonometric values. Now when in a particular triangle, a right angle triangle, so this is 90 degrees, when this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5 it is given, we can find all the six values here with the help of either this angle or this angle. Both angles are acute angles only. So with the help of these three we can find a ratio, trigonometric ratios of these six values we can find. And coming for the next topic is we are going to discuss about complementary angles. Complementary angles means we will discuss about if you consider this is the right angle triangle, this is the right angle triangle, and this is, if you take see, if you take this is 90, and this is theta if you take, so this third angle will be 90 minus theta it will become. So this is 90, this is theta, so the third angle will be 90 minus theta. So if you consider about these two are called complementary angles to each other. Now we will discuss about sin 90 minus theta value, cos 90 minus theta value, tan 90 minus, in such a way we will discuss all these values. And next topic is discussion of the all acute angles, that is 0 degrees and 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and finally 90 degrees. So all these values, how the values vary from one another. See, coming for 30 degrees and 90 degrees, we will consider an equilateral triangle and we will take a median. So each and every angle is 60, so this is 60, so it is divided into two parts, so that is 30 and this is 90. And if you consider the triangle is 1 unit, you will get this is half and this is 1. So by Pythagoras theorem we can find its value √3/2. With the help of this triangle, these two values we can find. And coming for 45 degrees, I mean 30 degrees and 60 degrees, and coming for 45 degrees, if you take an right angled isosceles triangle, so this is 45, this is 45 of 1 unit, so automatically hypotenuse will become √2. So with the help of these things, so we can find all the, in the same way all the remaining values also we will find, and we will use all these values to solve different types of sums. And coming from last but not least, we will use here identities. The final one is identities. So here in this chapter we will have three identities. The first one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and second one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Third one is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So these three are called here identities in this topic. So what is the use of these three identities means to solve any type of sums. These are the basic step to solve the particular sum. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in this chapter, whatever you study, these are the inputs for intermediate or your higher level studies. So sin square theta plus cos, from this also we can find two values, that is one is sin value, other one is cos value. If you want cos value, you take sin that side, so that you will get a cos square equal to 1 minus sin square theta, or sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square. In the same way, these two also will be used to convert into different types of formulas. So with the help of these three identities, we will try to solve the last exercise of this topic. So these are the main concepts which we deal in this chapter, trigonometry.